Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to get dark mode for Safari browser in iPhone and iPad without jailbreak. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Here we have to keep in mind one more thing. This method is only work for iOS 15. So first of all, launch App Store and search for Nightfall. Nightfall dark mode for Safari. Now tap search. I already downloaded the software, so that's why it shows open. Now minimize the App Store and launch settings. Here what we have to do, scroll, find and tap on Safari. Scroll, find and tap on extensions. Here we have to tap on Nightfall and enable Nightfall, then tap on all website and select allow. That's it. With this easy and simple method you will get dark mode for Safari, but only in iOS 15. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.